Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming your non-negotiables, 3 to 5 priorities that drive decisions. Once listed, assign time blocks, 30 to 90 minutes, so tasks become scheduled commitments. Make sure to mark fixed items like meetings and deadlines first because they constrain your available time. Now pick the first day and transfer 1-2 priority blocks into your diary. This turns intention into action. Use short labels and colors for visibility, and resist overpacking the first day so momentum builds. Once your priorities occupy slots, break each into actionable tasks lasting 20 to 90 minutes so you have clear next steps. You then distribute those tasks across your week, spacing related work to use focus without fatigue. Avoid more than 2 long tasks in a single day. Make sure to insert 10 to 20-minute buffers between blocks to handle overruns and transitions. Use symbols for status and move unfinished items forward. This keeps momentum and prevents backlog from becoming overwhelming. You end each day with a brief review. Migrate unfinished items into the next available slot and update priorities. Once a week, reflect on what worked and adjust your blocks and task sizes accordingly so the diary evolves with your rhythm. If your plan becomes overloaded, first cut non-essential tasks by about 30%, then rebalance time blocks. This quick triage prevents burnout. If scheduling conflicts persist, identify fixed constraints and renegotiate or reschedule lower-value commitments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.